Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, just subscribe. So as you guys already know from the title of this video, I am going to create this look today. Like, this was my favorite and I was just like, I have to do this. I have to try it at least once because I just loved it. So yes, now without further chatting, let's head right into the video. Alright, so let's start. For the first step, we need a primer. Start with a cleansed and moisturized face because this look is going to be mostly on the matte side. No highlighter kind of look. So yes, you have to have some moisture in your skin. So I am applying the primer in the shiny areas, not all over my face because I do have a combination skin. So let's go in the areas where it's more shiny. Now for the next step, I am taking my MAC Studio Fix foundation. This has full coverage and we need full coverage because Ariana looked like a flawless queen in the video and I just loved her skin. Her lips looked beautiful, she looked beautiful. So yeah, just going in with a flat top buffing brush and buffing the foundation into my skin. I love the finish of this foundation. I like how it spreads. I love how blendable this is. And yes, so this is perfect for this look. Ariana's face looks beautifully contoured. She has a light pink blush going on. And yes, so we are gonna do all that obviously. But before that, I think we need to cream contour because just the powder contour is not enough. So yes, we're gonna cream contour. I'm just taking this Nykaa SKINgenius contour stick and I'm just contouring my face. So basically I'm applying the contour in the areas that are suitable for cream contour according to my face shape. Obviously we all have different face shapes, but this is like a basic contour rule that you have to contour your cheekbones, forehead if you have a broad one, chin to clear that double chin obviously if you have one, and the nose. After all these areas, it really depends on your choice whether you want to do more or not. So yes, this is Ariana Grande inspired makeup look. We're going to take some inspiration from a fabulous makeup look and then we're going to create it on our own face. So in the end, you have to work according to your own face shape. So right now I'm just blending everything in, like all the cream contour in, and I'm literally using a concealer brush. So yes, that was like more precise. And next I'm going to conceal the dark circles I have, and I'm not highlighting with the concealer because I don't know why, but I don't want to highlight the center of my face for this look. So yes, just applying the concealer under my eyes and around my mouth. That's it. Now after this, we are just going to blend all the concealer in with a sponge. Make sure you do not take it way too much towards the contour because then your cheekbones start looking big and that area looks weird. I have done this mistake in the past and I know how bad it is. So yes, I'm just suggesting you guys. Next, to set my under eyes, I am going to use a loose powder. If you have oily skin, you should set your whole face, but I have a dry skin, so I just need to set my under eyes and sometimes around my mouth too. But as I said, this look has to be more on the matte side, so just make it look matte. For the eyes, first you have to take like a very warm brown transition shade and apply it all over the eyes. Obviously, I don't have any base on because I kind of like the already there brown color of my eyelids. So yes, I just left it like that and now I'm just blending the brown color. And after that, you have to take a very neutral dark brown color and then you have to apply it more into the crease. Now as you can see in the picture, Ariana has like very natural bronzed eye with a little shimmer in the middle, and that's what we are going to do. And so yes, now let's take a big and fluffy and clean blending brush and just clean out the edges, like just blend the edges so that it looks more like disappearing into your skin. Obviously my eyes are different in shape and hers are different, but yes, let's try to make this as similar as possible. Now next we're taking a golden shimmer and putting it on the center of the eyelid. Make sure you take a very little amount and do not spread it all over, which I kind of did, but then I fixed it. You just don't have to spread it all over your eyes because it has to be more on the center and more down towards your lashes. Now again, taking the clean and fluffy blending brush and just blending the inner corner. And next, for the lower lash line, I am again taking that dark brown neutral shade and applying it on my lower lash line. Now you have to apply some kohl too. I applied it but I forgot to film it, so sorry for that. And yes, the kohl too is involved. So next, take a black eyeliner and draw a wing, a little extended wing, a little more than what I generally go for. This is like most important step of this eye look, so make sure you nail it, and then apply kohl to balance out the upper and lower part of your eye. Now if you have natural and straight brows, then congrats, you're going to perfect this look, as that's what can be seen on Ariana's face. But I do not have that. So yes, I am just going to work according to my eyebrow shape. And yes, I am going to transform it a little bit too, just a little bit, because I cannot transform it completely. So yes, I'm just going to transform it a little bit too with my brow gel. You know, brow gel is a life savior, so you just need it in your life. It's just such a good thing. It holds your brows, and yes, provided that you use a good one. And next is going to be powder contour. And yes, you guys, the name of all the products will be in the description box, so check that for the exact product names and shade. So contour has to be on point because this is a flawless bronzed matte look. I don't know how many times I am going to say flawless, but that's the only word I can think of for her look. Now for blush, make sure you take a light pink blush that looks beautiful on your skin tone. In short, it should not wash you out. And just apply it all over your cheeks. And yes, sponge to the rescue if you've applied way too much of blush. But obviously the blush has to stand out. Now you need peachy pink lips with a damn glossy gloss. So for that peach, I am using the Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayon in Princess Peach and just making a base with that. Next, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Mini Matte in the shade Jetsetter. Now this has become one of my favorite pinkish nude lipsticks. It's just involved in all of my looks. I don't know how it comes in all of my looks, but it has to be there, so it's just my favorite. And next, for the gloss, I am using the Nykaa Gloss It Up gloss in the shade Sweet Angel, and I just love that gloss. It's like very, very glossy, and so I thought that this will be perfect for this look. And so yes, that's it. This was a fun, simple and very Ariana look. So that's it for the video, guys. Now that was a simple makeup look compared to the other makeup looks that I do. But obviously it was difficult for me. I saw the video at least 15 times to get that look. And it's still not completely on point because I saw a photo and a video and by that I recreated this look. So obviously it's not like completely on point. But yes, I tried my best. Now if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video.